Welcome back, guys. Today we are playing Airplane 3, as you can see. Are you following what? Zachary, sit down! I'm Robloxian State's Army General. You can call me General Nacho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order, or else you'll be expelled from the team. That means you'll be kicked out of the team. Now, please take a seat. 15, 14. If you get out of your seat and touch... Okay, come on. Right here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No one died. Let's get to the point. You cannot mess around, okay? Or else you'll be eliminated. Let's get to the point. This is our target. His name is Ronald. The bad guy. We have investigated, and all we know is he is a dangerous Robloxian. What did he do? Zachary said that. That's where we are heading. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Oh no! Everyone in that plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find the plane and get everyone to out safely. No, we will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. But how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. Follow him. This door is gonna open. Go to the middle. It says to go to here. No, Zachary, just stay here. He's coming. It says to go to you guys. Me? Yeah! Everyone ready?
Yep, everybody's ready.
Okay, and then jump on top of here. It's gonna be cool. Oh, dang it. Going down. I'm coming, don't worry. I'm down here. Why are we floating? Yes, you are. Airplane 3. Wait, Zachary, to go out. And then Zachary, go to this side with me. Zachary, wrong way. Go backwards. This way. And then get your gear. Would you like the blue or the never? That is how we are going to save the airplane from Ronald. But first, let's get everyone set up. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. Please take one behind you. 12, 11, 10, 9. Zachary, if you don't have one, you die. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Suit. Looking good. Believe we are ready. Zachary, wrong way. Follow him. Now let's check the system. Checking the plane. Zachary, stop. You're gonna die. So just stay off of there. Not enough fuel. Oh no. It looks like we don't have enough fuel. Zachary, stop. You're gonna die. Completely before we can take off. We need to fill the plane tank completely before we take off. That fuel nozzle is, there's 4 of them around the cave. You need to help connect them to the plane. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. I will fill the tank nozzle. No, Zachary, I'll get the other one next to you. Come on, Zachary. I'll get the green one. Wait, what's over here? A teddy bear. I got a teddy bear, Zachary. I got a teddy bear. Ah, Nunya. I just found it. Yes, I got it. You cannot die, Zachary. You know that, right? No messing around. I'll get the yellow one, the next yellow one. Did you lose any health? I haven't lost any health either. Yeah, Zachary, over there. Yeah. There we go. You gotta get that, bro. It's all up to you. Did you hit it? Did you hit the laser?
Did I hit the laser?
Yeah, did you hit the laser? Okay.
Am I supposed to?
No. You'll die automatically. But it's so laggy for you.
It's not so loud for me.
Excellent! All the nozzles are connected. The fuel tank is going up. Filling the tank now. Filling tank. Dude, this is really awesome. Right? Tank full! Hey! Now we are ready. That door's gonna open up. Back up. Back up. I almost forgot. The pilot's that's Pilot Clark. He will be our pilot through this mission. System ready, General. Please start the engine, pilot. Starting the engine. Dude, it's just like how much detail. I'm amazed how detail this has. Engine's ready. Open back door. That is loud. Come on, Zachary. Now get in there and see before we close the door. Zachary, no. Take a seat next to me. Zachary, take a seat next to me. No. Zachary. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Hey, Zachary, look at it. I got a teddy. 10, 9, 8. I just found it sitting there. 5, 4. I saw brown things and then I closing doors. Prepare for takeoff. I don't know. Good luck, soldiers. Good luck, General Pinocchio. Teddy bears. Teddy bears. Ooh, yay. Where are you? Oh. Bananas. Bananas. I need a banana. Give me a banana. need a banana. So we still have a few hours until we get there. Seriously, we only have like 30 minutes. There's something about Ronald I wanted to tell you guys. At first he looks like a normal human who will block it. Why would he do something like that? General, what are those bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Here, everyone, have a banana. I stole my spot back. Num num. You might need energy for later. Hey, I don't want to eat all of it. Just give me some. Wait, don't eat the banana. Why? It's poisoned. Oops. What? You said what? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's an old prank. That's not funny, General. I'm sorry. I just had to do it. Anyways, we will be flying a few more hours. You might as well chill or take a nap. First, I need bananas. It won't let me get any more bananas. Let's just sit down. Sit down, Zachary. Sit down. I want to sit next to you. Zachary. Zachary, just stay somewhere.
Let's sit down.
Yeah, there you go. We're in a storm. Hey, where's the bananas? It's time to wake up, everyone. Zachary, stop. It's nighttime and it looks like we're inside a storm. Yeah, it does. Not me. Oh God. I'm looking out the window and General, we got struck by lightning. You're right. Monitor is critical danger. Alright, Monitor is critical danger. Does that mean we'll die? Okay, everyone, chill. I think we're supposed to skydive. I will fix the monitor, but I need everyone to cover me while I'm out there. Wait, Zachary? Wait, out there? Wait, why are we out here? This is so scary. I'm gonna hug my teddy bear. The storm is getting worse. Yeah, no, Zachary, no, because then you'll leave the map. And then I'm gonna be by myself, and then you cannot join me again. I'll fix the monitor quickly as I can. Cover me, don't try to get struck by lightning. Okay, Zachary, stop. You're freaking me out, bro. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. I've literally never finished this. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cover me, try not to get struck by lightning. The monitor is fixed now. We need to go inside, General. I've never seen such a strong storm. Yeah, so let us down. Whoa, what the? What is that? Ah! What is that? You will not stop this way. Burn! Fire! Quickly, inside the plane. How am I supposed to do that? I'm gonna sit down. Sit next to me. Pilot, is everything okay? Where is the plane? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you are talking about. Giant skeleton? We didn't see no skeleton, General. Never mind. Let's keep moving. Are you sure you didn't see any? Me too. Okay, Zachary. Hey. General, we are finally here. Yes, look outside. Wait, no, you're not. Perfect. Pay close attention. Wait, are we skydiving? We will sneak through the back door to hit door of the kidnapped pilot. We need to get everyone to safety before we go after Ronald. Once we are in there, we just have to have one chance. Good luck, soldiers. Okay. This is a pretty intense job, General, so I don't know. My heart is literally beating super fast. What the heck? Good luck. This is it. The plane. We are in the plane. Cover. It looks like Ron will cover the door, Zachary. I wanted to do this my whole life. Oh no. Oh no. We better hurry. Check the storage. And can you find anything to open this door? I think I found something. Glasses? Where? Great, you found a hammer. Yay. Oh no! They're gonna see him. I can't lock doors in. How did you get here? God. There's no time to go after him. We need to get everyone to safety. I untied him. I untied him. Untied him. Untie people, Zachary. Just jump on them. Oh no, a baby! Here you go. General, inform all the noobs to save in the aircraft. Great. Zachary, answer me. There's still one left. The captain. Oh no. How do we break in here? I got a teddy. I'll trade you for a teddy to get me in here. This is it. No. Chance didn't talk to Ronald. Who wants to be the hero? I do. No, I do. Step into the front door. I will do it. Yay, I get to do it. Alright. We trust Super Gavin JJQ. I'm the hero. Ronald, open the door. We can't work this out. We can work this out. I can't move. I can't. Ronald, let the captain go. You won't. You don't understand anything. I can't. You are running my plans. Listen, what I'm going to say. It's you or going to jail. What is wrong, Ronald? It's over you, Ronald, or you're going to jail for doing this. It's too late for that. No. I'm stuck. I'm not. Oh no. Ronald! What are you doing? General, the captain is running. There is no time. The plane is about to explode. Why can't we save him? Take the parachutes. What parachutes? Oh, parachute. Parachute. But General, what about Ronald and the captain? We need to leave them here. General, it is orders. We cannot just free 18,000 noobs and then let someone die. That is not how it works. The back emergency. Whoa! How are you supposed to get there? I'm almost dead. Help me! Get over here. Need to leave alive. I'm almost dead though. I'm gonna die. I died.
What?
No! Back to lobby, Zachary. Press the white one.
What?
I can't. It's not letting me. Okay.
Why? Dude, that's like the most difficult part.
I know, right? Where are you, Zachary? I can't see you. I can't see you. I can't see you. I can't see you. Where are you?
Go.
I can't see you.
Gavin, I'm going in here.
I can't see you though. Make sure it's not closing. Leave it, bro.
No, I can't. No, I
Leave
can't.
room.
Yeah, I have no choice. Dude, there's actually so much people here. Dude, there's actually so much people here. I hope we're in the same one.
Wait, Zachary, I think we're in the same one.
Dude, can you reset? Or do you
No.
want to reset? Yeah.
Yeah, reset, Zachary.
No.
Yes. Zachary, we need to be together.
Dude, there's just so much people so I can survive.
Are you probably wondering?
Dude, there's so much people here.
Zachary, reset. So we can be together. I'm resetting.
I'm not.
Zachary, please reset. So we can both be together. We promise there's going to be lots of people.
Dude, why is SpongeBob on the table?
I don't know. Wait, I don't see SpongeBob.
Wait.
Oh, I'm not there. Zachary, just please reset.
No.
Zachary, I promise.
There's going to be other people with us. We're the other people. We come together, Zach. Dude, there's so much people here. Imagine how much. I have way more. There's not enough for everybody even on the table. His name's Ronald.
I'm gonna play a different game than the one I said.
No, let's actually play different games.
I'm gonna play Jailbreak.
I'm not.
Okay.
No, let's play the game that we haven't played before.
What game?
The game that we haven't played before.
There is more than 1,000 games we haven't played before.
No. You know what I'm talking about. Is it the toilet slide game? No. That's just roller coaster.
No, it's a parkour obby. I'm gonna play Jailbreak. Ooh, money. Money shirt. It is free. Get now. Purchase complete. Item. Okay, inventory. I'm gonna spam. Okay, let's see.
Other than Jailbreak.
Badges. Decals. Wait, badges.
Just like Escape the Marshmallow.
Gear. Wait, gear. Oh, try on. I have BB-8 with me, Zachary. Adventure. BB-8. Money shirt. Oh yeah, Zachary. Ah, there we go.
That's really Asper's 20.
There's no such thing.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys, that was an epic adventure. I will see. Well, 1 minute. Okay. Bye.